Y'all, I am absolutely blown away in the best way possible. I am in love, girl. Moment of silence, because this hair is killing it. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throat. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless you, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, ay, hit me where it hurts, ay. I go berserk, they drinking like they thirsty, and in the worst way, just to numb the hurt, babe. Living like the worst day, thinking I've been cursed, ay. You gotta work late, sinking in the worst way, worst way, worst day. I can feel the hurt, babe, hurt, babe, hurt, babe. I can feel the worst pain. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. Is you gon' ride and all, even through all the flaws? Is you gon' hide and all? Cause I've been seeking cause and feeling freaking lost. I think I paid the cost, been living like a boss, so guess I'll take the loss. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, and everything in between. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a company that I haven't really tried out that much, but I have to say I am beyond pleasantly surprised. So this is from the company The Stylist. I'm wearing this one in the style Tastee and the color number 1B. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked as well as with 13x6 HD lace parting. So I think one of my ultimately favorite things about this company, I didn't realize they allow you to customize the lace on a synthetic unit, you guys. So you can decide whether you want to go with the typical HD lace or the brown HD lace. So with this unit, I did decide to pick it up with the brown HD lace, and I am so happy that I did, because this is melting into my skin like nobody's business. Sensational who, because girl. So the texture on this unit is phenomenal, you guys. It is feeling like a medium to soft relaxed yaki, and I am living for it, you guys. This is feeling like human hair. The quality of it just seems very nice, to the point where, girl, this is about to be my everyday hair. So the length on this one, I'm 5'3" for reference, and it's coming below my boobs. The density on this unit is definitely coming off on the natural side. If I had to guess, I want to say the density is about 150%. I love it. It's definitely not too much hair, and it's not too thin either. It's perfect. It's right in the middle. I love the fact that it's not just dead straight. It got some like swoops going on. Like, girl, can you see the excitement all over my face? Like, so as far as the cap size is concerned, this one is definitely seeming like it's more so aimed towards people with smaller to medium sized heads. If you do have a larger size head, you could possibly, you guys, get away with wearing this one. But definitely just keep in mind, my head is about 21.5 to 22 inches, so it is on the smaller to average size. So it is fitting my head
perfectly, honey. I did adjust the straps a little bit, which is why I do think if you do have a large size head, you could possibly get away with wearing this one. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. So, I mean, as you can tell by my face, like, literally no cons, you guys. I didn't think that I could ever love a company as much as I love Outre, but I gotta say, this is competition for Outre. Period. Like, girl, the price point, yes. The quality of the hair, yes. The texture of the hair, yes. The density, girl. The hairline, the baby hairs, the parting space, the customizable option to choose your lace color. Do I need to say anything else? Do I really need to say anything else? Girl, let me tell you, if you are a Sensational fan, if you are an Outre fan, do not let the Stylist pass you by, because I guarantee you will be as impressed as I am, honey. Girl. Honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.